Here we are, the Moss, Dave's Wild Camping.
Dave's Wild Mine wasn't it, Michael?
Yeah, on the river we're just relaxing, heading up towards Chessie Street. Get them type of birds up there, geese or something. Just heading upstream now. Dave's Wild Camping.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you upstream.
Right, there's the river. We've just parked it up there and we're just going to have a quick look at possible camping spots. It's like a road in the field there. What is it? Concord.
We used to put them on the cigarette lighters, now they put the lighters. They're just thinking, you know.
There's the kayak and our beach. That's where we beached it. Terrible.
Just thinking, you know, us in our hammocks.
This is
I was soon to fucking get out fucking arse full of fucking bugs.
This is the bus trespassing on someone's property in the northeast of England. I'll not say who. But you'll probably guess by the river where you wouldn't have posted. Just coming up to the Fatfield Bridge there. And back down the river. Get on. Dave spinning us around doing a 360. Just having all the ducks, you can hear them quacking now.
On the 720?
The 720? We just got round and round. Makes a good YouTube video. This is, we're doing a bit of work on Fatfield Bridge, as you can see. Scaffolding under. A bit again over there on the river bar. I'm just heading back down to the launch.